Hello, outstanding people! Picture for a moment a creature with soulful eyes that seem to hold ancient wisdom, hands that craft tools with startling ingenuity, and a heart that beats with emotions so rich and complex they leave us utterly spellbound. Imagine a being who laughs when tickled, grieves when loved ones pass, embraces friends after long separations, and gazes at sunsets with what seems like quiet contemplation. Before we swing together through the lush emerald canopies of the African rainforests to meet one of the most remarkable and intelligent beings ever fashioned by the Creator, please take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another journey into the marvels of the living world. Your support truly means everything, and it helps us continue sharing these extraordinary stories with curious minds across the globe. Today, we venture into the shadowy green depths of equatorial Africa to meet the chimpanzee, a creature whose very existence reminds us of the breathtaking artistry of the masterful designer. Known scientifically as pan-troglodytes, the chimpanzee is a great ape native to the forests and savannas of tropical Africa, ranging across more than 20 countries from Senegal in the west to Tanzania in the east. These magnificent beings are among the most intelligent creatures ever to grace our planet, shaped by the fashioner, with qualities and capabilities that are truly breathtaking to behold. Every aspect of their existence, from the gleam in their eyes to the dexterity of their fingers, speaks of thoughtful design and infinite care. A fully grown male chimpanzee typically stands about 4 to 5.5 feet tall when upright and weighs anywhere from 90 to 150 pounds. Though in protected environments some have grown considerably larger, females are generally smaller and lighter than their male counterparts. Their bodies are covered in coarse black hair, though older individuals often develop silvery gray patches, particularly on their backs and faces, a graceful transformation that unfolds as they mature. Their faces, hands, and feet remain mostly bare, revealing skin that ranges from pale pink in youngsters to deep black in adults, a transformation that unfolds gracefully as they age. The ultimate creator has given them long, powerful arms that actually exceed the length of their legs, a brilliant design perfectly suited for their arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to swing through treetops with breathtaking agility in a movement called brachiation. Their hands deserve special admiration, for they are true wonders of biological engineering. Each hand possesses 4 long fingers and an opposable thumb, granting them a precision grip of remarkable delicacy and strength. Their feet are equally fascinating, featuring an opposable big toe that functions almost like a second thumb, enabling them to grasp branches, manipulate objects, and even carry items while climbing. This quadrumanous design, meaning essentially 4-handed, is a signature of the great apes and a testament to the thoughtful craftsmanship of the divine maker, who has gifted them with tools perfectly suited for life among the trees. The chimpanzee's face is wonderfully expressive, with a prominent brow ridge, forward-facing eyes that provide excellent binocular vision and depth perception, and large ears that catch the symphony of sounds rippling through their forest home. Their jaws are strong and contain 32 teeth, with notably large canines, especially in males, which serve both as tools and as displays during social interactions. Behind those expressive eyes lies a brain of extraordinary sophistication, weighing approximately 400 grams, which, relative to body size, places them among the most cognitively advanced creatures the all-knowing creator has ever brought into being. Chimpanzees inhabit a diverse range of environments across equatorial Africa, from dense tropical rainforests to woodland savannas, swamp forests, and mountainous regions reaching elevations of nearly 9,000 feet. They are primarily found in countries such as Uganda, Tanzania, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Cameroon, Gabon, Ivory Coast, Guinea, and Sierra Leone. 4 subspecies of chimpanzee are recognized, each adapted to specific regions and slightly different in appearance and behavior, a beautiful illustration of how the Supreme Maker tailors his creations to flourish in varied landscapes. Now, let us speak of their intelligence, which is perhaps their most celebrated trait. Chimpanzees are astonishingly clever, displaying cognitive abilities that continually astonish all who observe them. They are among the very few creatures known to use and even craft tools with purpose and precision. In the forests of Gombe and Tai, chimpanzees strip leaves from twigs to create probes for extracting termites from their mounds, a technique they pass down through generations. They use stones as hammers and anvils to crack open hard nuts, selecting specific rocks for their weight and shape with remarkable discernment. Some communities even sharpen sticks into spear-like implements for hunting small primates hiding in tree hollows, while others crumple leaves into sponges to soak up drinking water from tree hollows. What makes this tool use even more extraordinary is that different chimpanzee communities have distinct traditions and techniques, essentially their own cultures. A chimpanzee born in one region will learn methods unique to that community, passed from mothers to children and from elders to youngsters through careful observation and practice. This cultural transmission, this preservation of knowledge across generations, is a profound gift bestowed upon them by the all-wise Creator, setting them apart in the animal kingdom and revealing depths of sophistication rarely seen elsewhere in the living world. Their social lives are equally captivating. Chimpanzees live in large communities, sometimes called troops or unit groups, that can number anywhere from 20 to 150 individuals. These communities operate within a fascinating social structure known as fission-fusion, meaning the larger group regularly splits into smaller parties that change in size and composition throughout the day as individuals forage, rest, or travel. Within each community, there exists a clear hierarchy, typically led by an alpha male who earns his position not merely through physical strength but through political savvy, coalition building, and strategic alliances. This alpha male does not rule alone, but relies on the support of trusted allies, and his reign can be toppled if he loses favor or fails to maintain his coalitions. Communication among chimpanzees is richly layered and endlessly expressive. They possess a vocabulary of more than 30 distinct vocalizations, including pant hoots that can travel great distances through the forest, food calls that announce the discovery of a delicious meal, and alarm calls that warn of approaching predators. Beyond vocalizations, they communicate through an intricate language of facial expressions, body postures, and gestures, each one carrying meaning within their complex social world. A play face, for instance, signals joyful interaction, while fear, anger, sadness, and excitement all manifest in wonderfully recognizable ways. They embrace, hold hands, kiss, pat each other on the back for reassurance, and even share food as gestures of friendship and reconciliation. Their diet is wonderfully varied, making them omnivores of the forest. The majority of their food, about 60%, consists of ripe fruits, which they locate with an almost encyclopedic knowledge of their territory. They know precisely which trees are fruiting, which are about to ripen, and which will bear fruit in coming weeks, mapping their environment in astonishing detail. Supplementing this fruit-rich diet are leaves, seeds, nuts, flowers, bark, pith, and insects such as termites, ants, and caterpillars. Surprisingly to some, chimpanzees are also skilled hunters, occasionally pursuing small mammals such as colobus monkeys, bush pigs, and small antelopes in coordinated group hunts that demonstrate remarkable teamwork and strategic thinking. Divine Providence has equipped them with both the intelligence and the physical prowess to thrive as opportunistic foragers in their complex ecosystems. Emotionally, chimpanzees are profoundly sophisticated beings. They demonstrate empathy, comforting distressed community members with gentle touches and reassuring embraces. They show signs of grief, sometimes sitting quietly with deceased companions for hours or even days, displaying what appears to be genuine mourning. They exhibit joy through laughter, a breathy, panting sound produced during play and tickling. They experience jealousy, anger, compassion, curiosity, and affection, all woven into their daily lives in ways that profoundly challenge our understanding of the emotional landscape of the animal world. The originator has also endowed them with remarkable self-awareness. Chimpanzees are among the few creatures that can recognize themselves in mirrors, a capacity that indicates a sophisticated understanding of self and identity. They can plan for the future, remember past events in detail, and even deceive other members of their group when it serves their purposes, suggesting a theory of mind that allows them to understand that others have thoughts and perspectives of their own. Young chimpanzees enjoy an extraordinarily long childhood, remaining dependent on their mothers for roughly 5 to 7 years, and often maintaining close bonds with them throughout their lives. During these formative years, they learn through play, observation, and careful instruction, mastering the skills they will need to survive and thrive. Sibling relationships are strong and enduring, and the bond between mother and offspring is among the most tender and beautiful sights in the animal kingdom. Infants ride on their mother's back or cling to her belly, learning by watching her every move, an intimate educational process that continues for years and showcases the wisdom of the fashioner. Chimpanzees can live for 40 to 50 years in the wild, and some individuals in protected environments have reached into their 60s, a testament to their resilience and the careful design of the creator. Sadly, despite their brilliance and beauty, chimpanzees face serious threats today. Habitat destruction through deforestation, illegal hunting, capture for illegal trade, and diseases have all caused their populations to plummet. Today, they are classified as endangered, with fewer than 300,000 individuals remaining across Africa, a heartbreaking decline from their historical numbers. Conservation efforts around the world are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent beings, establishing protected reserves, rehabilitating orphan chimpanzees, combating poaching, and raising awareness about the irreplaceable value of these creatures. Every chimpanzee saved is a victory for biodiversity, a preservation of a living piece of the masterful designer's magnificent gallery of creation, a treasure that must be safeguarded for generations to come. Thank you so much for journeying with me today into the remarkable world of the chimpanzee. These thoughtful, emotional, intelligent beings who embody the wonder and wisdom of creation. If this video touched your heart or sparked your curiosity, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more adventures into the wonders of the living world, and leave a comment below sharing what fascinated you most. Until our next journey, take care and stay curious.